Well, I want to be honest with you. You might want to get your partner or whoever you're living with in your household, because your partner will not want you to have your worms inside of your house because they're scared that you might run into issues. I'm going to be honest with you. I have had my worms outside in the past, and I've snuck my worms into the house. And as you can see behind me, I have worm bins inside of my household. Now, if you want to start a simple worm bin, all you have to do is get yourself a grow bag, add yourself your bedding, your food scraps, and some of your grit to get this started. It's an easy way to have an outdoor worm bin. And the thing about this that's good is that you can't add too much water into this worm bin, because it would, the water will seep out of the sides of the worm bin. So you have to constantly check this grow bag to see if the water content inside here is at a good consistency. But the only downfall is if it's outside, you have a greater chance of insects such as spiders, mites, springtails, earwigs, whatever's outside, to be inside of your worm farm. But this is definitely a good resource to have if you want to start a simple worm bin for the spring. And then if you're lucky like me, you might be able to sneak them into the household. But here's another video to watch. I'll see you in the next one.